English-Belarusian to be, master to be, and
быць.
fast. Synapse Lingo welcome. Hey, you. This podcast is brought to you by Synapse Lingo, your fun route to fluent moments. Visit www.synapse-lingo.com for more goodies. Today we unlock the English-Belarusian verb to be, from to be, to
быць.
buckle up, breathe out, smile in. Your goal today. In a few minutes you'll say and recognize all core forms with confidence. Target checklist.
Jest, jos, jina, heta, jany,
And infinitive.
bыць.
Mini mission. Nail these in a fun drill, then show them off in a quick dialogue. Turbo forms chant. Repeat after me, short, strong, smiley. I am.
Jest,
You are, sing. He is.
jos,
She is.
jina,
It is.
heta,
We are. You are, plural. They are.
jany,
Infinitive, to be.
bыць.
Funny mini dialogue. Let's drop the forms into real life, short and silly. A. Who's at the door? B.
Geta,
Pizza. It is pizza. A. Great. I am hungry.
jest,
Hungry for victory too. B. You are ready. Gotovi, gotova, ready. A. He is here.
jos,
She is here.
jina,
B. We are a team. Comanda. A. You are legends. Legendy. Both. They are awesome.
jany,
Super. Pronunciation hack. Quick tip so your mouth cooperates. Hear the yo in.
jest,
It's like yo plus shch soft s. Point at a thing and label it.
heta,
It is. Tap your chest for.
jest,
Point to a friend for. Call and response drill. I cue it, you echo it, out loud, like a champ. Say, I am ready.
ja jest gotowy,
Mask.
ja jest gotowa,
Fem. Say, you are my friend.
ty jest mój sabar,
Say, he is here.
on jest tut,
Say, she is at home.
jana jest doma,
Say, it is my book.
heta moja kniha,
Say, we are together.
my jest razem,
Say, you are awesome, group.
wy jest cudownie,
Say, they are in the park. Culture tip. A tiny grammar gem for big confidence. In everyday Belarusian, the present, to be, can drop out, but adding
jest,
gives emphasis.
ja jest tu,
I am here. And remember, pointing plus
heta,
is your Swiss Army knife for, it is, this is. Lightning quiz. Answer fast. If you grin, you win. Which Belarusian verb means to be?
bыць.
Translate. It is my book.
Heta moja kniha,
Fill the blank. Blank, doma, equals, we are at home.
my jest,
Say, you are, to one friend. To a group. Story challenge. Build a tiny tale using every form, your victory lap. I knock and say, I am here.
ja jest tu,
You are on time.
ty jest swojczasowa,
He is ready.
on jest gotowy,
She is smiling.
jana jest wesoła,
It is a good idea.
heta dobra idea,
We are a team.
my jest komanda,
You are champions.
wy jest czempiony,
They are here.
jany,
Tut. Choose to be, choose.
bıć.
Goodbye from Synapse Lingo. You nailed it, short, sweet, and useful. Thanks for listening. Practice these lines today and come back tomorrow for more wins. For extra exercises, videos, and freebies, visit www.synapse-lingo.com. Keep going. Unstoppable.